In this video, you will learn how to replace the battery in your Nissan Altima key fob. You can do this process at home. You do not need to take your device to a dealership, and the whole process will take you under 5 minutes from start to finish. There are multiple versions of this device. You can see there's a 5-button, 4-button here. It doesn't matter which one you have. The process is going to be exactly the same for both of them. The only things you'll need to open this up and change the battery are a regular flathead screwdriver and one CR2032 battery. If you don't have one of these batteries or you're not sure where to find one, go check out that first link down in the description. That link will take you over to Amazon where you can find these particular batteries that you need for these particular key fobs for just a few bucks. Now, jumping right into it, the first step is just to flip it over, find the lever on the back, and then hold that down while you pull out the internal key. And now looking over here at the bottom of the device, you can see over to the right, there's a small opening. See if I can get that to focus. There it is. There's a small opening right there. It's just enough space for you to fit a small flathead screwdriver. So this is the one I will be using because it's just the perfect size to get in there. If you end up using a larger one, you're gonna damage the plastic a little bit and you don't want that. So aim for a smaller one. If you don't have anything about this size and you're looking to pick something up, I would recommend this little pack that I personally use. That's where this one came from. This is just a few dollars on Amazon. It's like $5 or something if I remember. So I'll put that down in the description as well if you are interested. But once you have the right size, it's very easy. We're just going to insert, twist, and as soon as it starts to open, you can see there's that opening that I've just created there. Don't keep twisting up here. Go into the opening and work your way down, twisting until it is completely free and you can pull it apart easily with your fingers. Now we just have to take the same flathead and come over to the battery, and what we want to do is just gently pry it up. And now you can dispose of your old battery, of course. Take your new CR2032. This is a 2025, but a 2032 will work as well. And it will just have a longer battery life. You can could also just use a CR2025 if you had one of those lying around. So when you put your new battery in, you want to make sure that the positive side is facing down, and you will just simply push it down into place until it is sitting in there securely. And from here, all you need to do is reattach the two halves of the device. So set the battery half on top of the face of the device and then squeeze it back together. And of course, you can just pop your key back in there, and now you have everything good and ready to go. You got a new battery in there, and hopefully you save some money compared to bringing it to the dealership where they will charge you an arm and a leg. So I hope this video was helpful for you, and if it was, feel free to let me know down in the comment section or just by giving this video a like. We'd love to see your feedback and hear from you guys. And if you ever need help with another one of your key fobs, you can always come back here to this channel and we will have you covered with a tutorial just like this one, because we have videos for the key fobs for pretty much every make and model out there. You can also get all of this information and much more over at our website, FobBattery.com.